In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom alerts on MetaTrader 5. If you're looking to stay on top of the financial markets without constantly staring at the screen, custom alerts can be an invaluable tool. These alerts can notify you when certain market conditions are met, allowing you to focus on your daily tasks while still keeping an eye on essential market movements. To start, you'll want to open the Toolbox window within the MetaTrader 5 platform. The Toolbox is where all your essential tools and tabs are located. It's typically found at the bottom of your trading interface. If you're new to the platform and are having trouble locating it, don't worry. It's easily accessible by simply looking for the Toolbox icon, which can be toggled on and off if it's hidden. Once you have your Toolbox window visible, go ahead and select the Alerts tab. This section is dedicated to managing and creating your market alerts. It's your hub for monitoring all the important updates you've set up and is crucial for managing your trading strategies effectively. Now, let's move on to how you can set up a price alert on MetaTrader 5. Within the Alerts tab, you'll want to right-click your mouse. A contextual menu should appear, giving you several options to choose from. Go ahead and select the Create option. This action will open up a new window specifically designed for creating alerts, titled the Alert window. In this alert window, the first thing you'll need to decide is which financial instrument or symbol you want the alert to be associated with. This could be a currency pair, a stock, or any other asset available on your MetaTrader 5 platform. Make sure to select the correct symbol, as this will determine the data points used to trigger your alert. Next, focus on choosing the condition for your alert. This is where you specify the parameter that will trigger the alert. For example, you can decide to receive a notification when the bid price is greater than a specific value, or perhaps when it drops below a certain threshold. Alternatively, you might set it up based on the ask price. The condition you choose will depend on your particular trading strategy and what market movements are important for you to monitor. After setting your condition, you'll need to enter the exact price point at which you want to be notified. This is the critical value that triggers the alert, so ensure it aligns with your trading plan or market analysis. Double-checking this step will make sure your alert works as intended. Finally, once you've selected your symbol, condition, and price, simply click OK to save your alert. This will finalize the setup, and you're all set to receive notifications when your specified market conditions are met. Setting up these alerts can significantly enhance your trading efficiency, ensuring you're always updated on crucial market movements without having to constantly monitor the charts. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of your trading experience on MetaTrader 5.